Gorilladesk tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at one of the best field service management softwares, Gorilladesk. So whether you are in HVAC, landscaping, or whichever type of field service business, I would definitely recommend that you give this CRM a try. And to get started is actually completely free. All you need to do is go onto Gorilladesk.com. Then from there, you could tap on Start Free Trial, and you'll be able to sign up using your email address. But before diving in, I just want to give you a quick overview of the features that you'll be getting. As you can see, you'll be provided with an AI agent, so this is a modern CRM or software. And you can also get access to their document library, meaning that you'll be able to store your documents safely on this platform, so you'll quickly have access to it. And you can quickly create invoicing and billing, and you can also create quotations and estimates, and you'll also be able to accept payments using this platform. Plus you'll get in-depth analytics and so much more. And they also provide you with a mobile app, since this is created for field service work. So when you're out in the field, you can simply go onto your mobile device, and from there you'll be able to access Gorilladesk and its features. And they also provide you with GPS tracking and material tracking, as you can see right here, to keep up to date to how many materials you're using and how much is on a particular site or so on if you have numerous locations. So we're going to create our Gorilladesk account. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. And you're just going to tap on the settings cog in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you can upload your default logo by tapping on edit right here. You could add in your default logo. You can scroll down, and from there you could edit any other information that you want. And by going over to the left hand menu option, you're going to tap right where you see company. After you have tapped on company, we could select users. And this is where you'll be able to add users. So you can add your employees right here by tapping on add users. You could fill in their email address and basic information and their role and so on, as you can see right there. After you're finished adding users, you can select users once more, and you could tap on schedules. And this is where you'll be able to create a schedule for a particular user. To create a schedule, you'll tap right where you see start/end address. And you can fill in the address right there that the person will be working at. So for example, let me select one right there. And you can see it right there, and you can put in the end address. After you're finished doing this, you'll tap on save. And that's how you'll be able to create a schedule. So you can add in different locations and different technicians, and you can create a schedule for them. After you have created the schedule, you could tap on schedules in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you can set up your taxes. You can also tap on paperwork, and from there, if you would like to, for example, edit your templates, or better yet, create a template for your invoice or estimates, you can do that real quick. You could also tap on paperwork once more, and you could select payment methods, and you can see the different payment methods. If you would like to add a payment method, you can do that by tapping on add method in the top right hand corner. By selecting payment methods once more, you can also go over, and from here you can set up any other option that you would like to edit in this section. Once you're finished editing that, what I would want you to do next is tap on the calendar in the top left hand corner. And this is where you'll be able to view your calendar. And as you can see right here, you'll be able to see the schedule that I've created, as I had created the schedule for myself. So you can see it right there, and you'll be able to add a task. And when you add team members, you'll see their names right here, and you'll be able to add a task for a particular team member for a day by simply tapping on it. You will choose to assign it to a team member, and you can choose the task that you would like to assign to them. So that's how you'll be able to do that. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on the plus right here, you'll be able to add new customers. So you could select new customer, and you can fill in the customer first and last name. So let me do that real quick. So for instance, let's say I were to create a customer. So I'll just create a random customer. After you have filled in the customer information, you can add the phone number and so on. Then you'll scroll down and you're just going to tap on save. So let me add in a street, as the street cannot be blank. So I'm just going to be adding in a street real quick. So I'll scroll down. Now add in a service address. After you have added in the street and the zip code, you can tap on save. So that's how you'll be able to add a customer. Now that we have added the customer, if we were to tap on the plus once more from the top navigation bar, from there, if you would like to add a new lead, you could tap on new lead and you could fill in the lead information. Then if we were to tap on the plus once more, from here we can either choose to create an estimate or an invoice. Let's say I would like to create an estimate. I can tap on new estimate, select the customer name. After selecting the customer name, I can choose when the estimate is due. Then you can fill in the information, so you could add an item. So you can see right there, items. You can either choose to add a new item or you can select one of the sample items that is there. So let's say we were to select initial service. Then you can fill in the cost that you would like to charge. So let's say the cost will be $900. After filling in that information, you can scroll down. If you would like to offer a discount, you can do that. If you would like to add more items, you can also do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on add. So you can see right there, we have created our estimate. Now that you have created the estimate, you could tap on send in the top right hand corner. And you can choose to send it by email or you could choose to print it right there. So that's how you'll be able to create an estimate. And you can also scroll down if you would like to edit the terms, add notes or add images. You can do that before you send it. Once you're finished creating your estimate, what you can do next, if you would like to create an invoice, you could tap on the plus. Then you could select new invoice. After selecting new invoice, from here you can select the customer once more. And you can fill in the information right there. And just like what we did with the estimate, you'll be able to send the invoice. After doing that, to access other features, you can go over to the left-hand menu option. We could select dashboard and you can see how your main dashboard looks. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more and select inbox, this is where you're going to be receiving all of your mail. And if we were to tap on leads, this is where you'll be able to view your leads or you'll be able to access the CRM features better yet. So once you have created a lead, you'll see the lead right here and you can pull it through the pipeline, the sales pipeline right here. So that's how you'll be able to see it. So if we were to tap on new lead right here, we can add in the new lead. So I'll just be adding a random name. Then you will tap on save. So you can see right there, we have now created a new lead. After you have created the lead, from there you can send estimates and so on to the lead and you'll be able to track your leads right here. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more and select reports, this is where you'll be able to view the reports. So you'll be able to see the different status of different things. For example, the different estimates, invoices, payments you have received, credits, recurring invoices, and service lookup. All of the different information, you'll be able to view it right here. And there are numerous other features that you could get access to, but majority of these features you'll need to go onto their paid plan. So if we were to tap on add-ons in the bottom left hand corner, to get access to the AI agents, you'll need to go on the paid plan. To connect Stripe, you can see right here, you could toggle that on. You can also toggle on commission tracking. There are numerous features that you can get access to this platform, as this is an all-in-one field service management platform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.